afternoon, we're looking at very slowly climbing temperatures. At least we've had some sunshine this morning, and now some clouds kind of streaming in a little bit, filtering out some of that sun. But there you can see some blue sky as well. So a little cloud cover, a little sunshine here into the afternoon, and those temperatures just little by little are ticking up here in the valley. Let's take a look at the numbers. We're going to be really on the chilly side the farther east we are. This is where we saw those temperatures down into the 30s below. 14 below in Baudette, 11 below in Bemidji. It's 5 below right now in Fargo. And your winds are very light. We're looking at a lot of calm reports with some wind speeds up to 12 miles per hour in Devil's Lake. So we've seen a few clouds dropping into the valley here this afternoon, and maybe a couple of flurries under them, but generally speaking on the drier and quieter side here today. Tri-State view looks good for any travelers, and checking on the folks down in Frisco, it's looking great down there. They've got some good weather and temperatures that are pretty comfortable. We're seeing some 50s to around 60 over the next few days for highs in that area. Here's a look at your hour-by-hour planner. We've got some clear skies, some sunshine here today in the valley. That sun helping us just a little bit to warm up. We're looking at 3 degrees right now in Fargo, and only 4 below for your high in Grand Forks, 3 above for your high temperature this afternoon, rather, in Fargo. Now ahead for later on tonight, if you've got some Friday evening plans, it's going to be another chilly one. We're looking at those numbers dipping again back below the 0-degree mark as we get into the later evening hours, and some of us back down into some 20s, even some teens below up in northeastern parts of our viewing area. However, through the overnight hours, we'll start to see that southeasterly wind kick in as our next system moves into the valley, and with that some cloud cover too, and both that combination will help some of us to see those temperatures stop dropping or actually rise overnight tonight. So we're looking at some cloud cover and maybe some snowfall happening tomorrow in parts of the valley too. This should be pretty light, but when you factor in these wind gusts into the 30s, we're looking at some low visibility wherever that snow happens to be falling, and of course snow on the ground. We've had that light fluffy snowfall event yesterday. That's all going to get picked up and blown around, so it's not going to be an ideal day, but that south wind will help to push in some warmer air for us for the days to come. So we'll put up with that. In fact, we're going to see those temperatures rising through the day into the teens for your afternoon temperatures, but continuing to rise into the late night hours for tomorrow night. So not perfect travel weather here for your Saturday. Snowfall potential, not a lot. We'll look at some areas getting maybe a dusting of snow with this round. Ahead for the weekend, the rest of the weekend, Sunday looks fantastic. Some 20s to near 30 degrees on Sunday, and we hang on to that milder air for a few more days into next week.
It looks so nice. It's so exciting.
I'm really looking forward to it.
Especially after this morning.
I know, this morning was tough. Even tomorrow, I'll put up with the wind and the snow if that means those temperatures are coming up.
For sure. Well, you might want to